That turned out awesome. Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. We're going to be doing an interesting painting tonight. We're going to be doing man versus woman paint pour.
You're going down, girl.
I accept that challenge. Let's see which one of us can do the better paint pour. We've got white acrylic already on the canvas, 12 by 12 size. We're keeping it fair. We each got to pick 4 colors. He has his 4 colors. I have my 4 colors. And we're going to give this a whirl and see what happens. So we're going to do a flip cup. So I have my cup of paint ready to go right here.
As do I.
And we're going to try this and see. I think you're the one going down, hon. But we do have a tent that you can take to the backyard. If you do happen to win this challenge, beware.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Now we're just going to let that sit for a second or two.
Mine looks way better already.
I don't know. Mine's got some pretty cool cells happening
Look at the
already.
cells here.
Okay, I'm going to lift mine up. I'm going to give it a little shake. Get some of that color out. Up to you if you want to shake it, hon. You go ahead and shake it.
I always shake it.
All right. Now, would you like to have yours torched or not torched? Do you want the bubbles out?
I think I will torch it at the end.
Okay. I'm going to give mine a little torch.
Yeah, of course you are. Okay, torch mine too. Humor me.
Okay.
I kind of like it just like that.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we can call it done and
No.
competition over.
No.
All right. Now, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. And for everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much.
And vote for me.
Don't listen to him. He don't know what he's talking about. Okay, let's try not to pour paint on each other, huh? And it's not a speed race. You can go as slow as you want. Just keep the paint on the table, preferably.
Oh, you saw that, huh?
Sorry if you see in the back of the canvas or nothing at all. We're just kind of very focused right now on this challenge.
Not that we're competitive.
Not at all. Oh.
Oh, yeah, try and bump me. Sure.
It was just a tiny little love tap. I don't know what you're worried about.
Yeah, it didn't work with a darn. Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm pretty happy with mine. How you doing over there, hon?
Well, it looks okay for yours. Pretty happy with mine too, actually.
Okay, I'm putting mine down. Watch your hand, hon.
Okay, I just got to do all my edges now.
Ooh, you're a professional. Okay.
Well, you made me watch all those videos.
Wow. That's a very interesting sequence of lines and everything. Do you want me to torch yours?
Yes, please.
I'm going to be torching mine. I'm going to pull my gloves off. I don't plan on touching any more paint because I'm happy with the design mine made.
I'm pretty happy with mine too.
Okay, I'm going to torch mine first. Girls first.
Excuse me.
Now I'm going to do yours, hon. Now, because you still have your gloves on, can you just pick yours up a little bit and tilt it a little bit towards the camera? We'll give you a little bit of advantage by allowing people to see. You got to go closer so we can, there you go. It's pouring off the canvas onto my painting.
That's what I meant to do.
And then we have mine. I will take Actually, I don't even know if I'll do a thumbnail. We'll just leave it with our colors and make people question it. What do you
Okay.
think? All right. So this is successfully done 2 paint pours in a matter of about 10 minutes. Man versus woman. Who has the better paint pour? Please leave comments. We would really like to know which is the more popular painting. Thanks for watching, everybody. Come back and join us again soon. And again, hit the subscribe button. The bell right beside that button is also a notification bell for any future videos that I put up. You'll be able to be notified to say, hey, there's another video up. Check out her painting. Thanks very much, everyone.
Bye, all.